Hi guys, welcome back to another video. You don't know it's your girl Toya and your boy
Poppy. And today we have a fun challenge, guys, right? So my family, YouTube family, the Robinson family.
Big up on yourself.
Big up on yourself. Kino and Chrissy. Guys, them come up with a challenge and the thing hot. So it name, what name again?
One letter
start
each
sentence or each word sentence challenge.
Alright, basically guys, so we have some letters here from A to Z.
Yeah.
And each of us gonna take turns. We'll probably just do like five each.
Yeah.
Right? And so whatever letter you pick out or whatever, you have to have at least a 4-word sentence. 5-word sentence with the same.
So the same letter of a start every word in the sentence. And at least 5 words.
Minimum of 5 words.
Yeah, and the sentence have to make sense.
Something like that.
You understand? So, the thing's sick. Funny bad. So me I say, yeah, we can try it. So we link them up, man, and them I say, yeah, man, go ahead with it. You don't know.
Guys, when I watched y'all video, I was cracking up. Like, seriously.
So the Robinson family, big up on yourself, big up on yourself. And guys, make sure you subscribe, subscribe to the channel. And share out that one because it's a hot. It's a hot. Make sure you thumbs up the video too. You understand me I say? I want to big up the pop stars them, you know what I mean? Those who are represent for Poppy Show straight. You know what I mean? Show we crazy love. If you're new to Poppy Show, subscribe to the channel. Okay? Yes. Please subscribe to the channel and tell a friend about Poppy Show. Yes. Tell your family, all your mother. You know, everybody can watch Poppy Show.
Follow us on Instagram at poppyshowja.
Yeah, them link they down there. So you understand me I say? Poppyshowja, Toya876 and JC_boy. So yeah, make sure you check out all of that. But I get in this, it named the 1 letter start the word sentence challenge, something like that. We're gonna write it for the screen, so you don't know. Are you ready?
Oh, but you also have to tell him. And if the sentence doesn't make sense, then you're gonna have to drink
some lime juice.
A shot or
drink some lime juice. You see me I say so. We don't know
some nature will cut around you so.
Whole heap of nature will cut. I go to me have enough nature, but I not try cut nothing. But I go check it out.
All right, so you ready?
Yeah.
I'll let you go first because the last video we did, you said ladies first, so you can go first.
All right.
D.
This how this guy get like the pen that I done.
A D. That's a
D.
Yes.
All right.
Oh, I have my tally here because the last time we did a video, honey kind of cheated me a little bit. So I make sure keep track this time. Go.
All right. David, don't disrespect Daddy Days. Daddy Days, big up yourself.
I guess.
David, don't disrespect Daddy Days. Daddy Days, you don't know you're my boss. Big up yourself. Are your time, man?
All right. That was easy. I was hoping I was
Daddy Days?
easy.
No, man.
What is
V. Somebody are drinking some lime juice.
Where to come that far?
Go on, man.
Don't underestimate me.
I get it ready for you. It have to make sense, you know. Go on. Time share by guys. I try to trick out the thing.
Victoria's vase vacates Venezuela victory.
Wait, what?
That no make no sense. Victoria vase vacates Venezuela victory.
You don't understand?
No, we don't understand.
Guys, you don't understand.
No, we don't understand.
Victoria's vase. Oh, let me say again.
Vacates. Yeah, them leave.
Venezuela.
Victory mean win.
Victory.
No. So, no. That's a mad. That's an absolute madness. Come on.
Let me try though.
Yeah, you try, but you lose. Lime juice here, guys. Victoria vase. That's enough. That enough.
All right.
That's enough, guys.
You have a drink of it?
Of course. Let's take one big drink.
No, sir.
The thing's sick. Alright, guys. Alright, so my turn. My turn.
Man.
Alright, what the hell?
Z. Going through.
Easy thing this. Zebra zoo. Right? Zebra zoo. Zone. Zebra zoo zone.
Zebra zoo
Zone. Yeah. Zimmy. You know like a Zimmy?
Zebra Z zone Zimmy.
Zine.
Oh, chest. I can't breathe. Oh, shit.
You know what?
I mean,
How which school you go? Come on now.
Zebra
you go.
zoo zone.
No,
Zimmy?
no,
Zine?
no.
So much.
I see what I want you to give me. No zebra Z zone Zimmy. What that? A sentence that? Which school you go?
I said this.
Drink it. Yes. Not for you if you want next month. All right, guys. My turn.
What?
What is?
F, not F that.
Oh, F.
F.
F, guys.
F, guys.
Franklin's face. Favor. Fun. Fart.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
Franklin Face, you're a fan, what?
Franklin face. Favor. Fun fart.
You mean fun fart? That's a fun girl fart.
What I mean?
No.
Yeah, describe how it feels. Fun fart.
What is fun fart?
Oh, it is a sentence. Come on, guys.
That is no sentence.
Franklin face.
It doesn't make sense.
Favor.
Fun
fart.
But it doesn't make sense, though. That doesn't make sense.
It makes sense. It makes sense to me.
So you're going to tell that to somebody?
Of course. It's just like you describe somebody else. You may say only face, favor, whatever. What I may say Franklin face, favor,
But
fun
there's
fart.
not name fun fart.
Oh, you know that. You never hear about it. But yes, there's something go so. So you remember try to get my little score and about to play with me.
Guys, you know say your thief though.
No complain. That is a
Fun
sentence. I describe as something want to describe Franklin face.
Wow.
What to you?
Alright.
What
M.
that? Okay.
Alright. Money make men mighty. Money make men mighty movers. Yeah. Money make men mighty movers. Like, you don't know them.
Okay, I
You
guess
see
that
me?
can go on.
Yeah, money make men mighty movers. You see me?
Whatever. Money makes
Yo,
mighty
if you are like
movers.
fan fart and all these things, can't compare to my top sentences.
How me want to describe Franklin
No,
face.
but it doesn't make sense to the people. Nobody
It
knows.
makes sense to me.
Guys, if that makes sense to you, comment in the
that's
comment
the new
below.
slang on the market.
Fun fart.
Fun fart. Yes. All right.
Trick out the thing, guys.
All right. Okay.
How much that? 3 gone already? Why? Why?
What to you, my youth? Why?
Let's pour out this. Why?
No words not guys. All right. Why? Jesus, why? Why, Lord? Why?
But it start the sentence non-stop. At times, share by now, guys. Trick thing.
Why?
Why? Why?
Why?
Yeah.
Okay. Why? Jesus. What's that with why?
I'm never help her out, guys. Yankee.
Yankee, yonkers, Yankee.
What the sentence, eh?
That's serious.
Yes.
Want to try drink, yeah? Come on, man. Yankee, yonkers.
No, it's like when you go watch the Yankees and maybe it's like a slang. So you know.
Well, we now watch the
when
Yankees
they
right
score,
now.
you can say Yankee, yonkers, Yankee.
Yeah, when I watch the Yankees right so them now
It's like
them now score over here, so just drink that.
Guys, comment below and tell me that I'm innocent. It's like when you go to the match and you know them win, and
Guys.
you say Yankee, Yankee.
Well, we never got the match yet, so I don't know.
Yeah, they do that.
Yeah, but we're not done a match now, so we're not gonna do that right now. We're not done a match.
I don't feel like I'm doing this because
Honey, you stop
that
thief, man.
is like a slang.
But we're talking about sentence, we get slang. No, honey, you need to drink the thing. Come on. Cut down the nature.
You get the easy letters them.
I know. Alright, my turn.
No, sir.
Alright, my turn.
You know, so this is going to hurt my stomach later, though.
Eh?
Come like you look. Put them back. You look and take out. Really?
Oh, maybe you can take out Z.
Come. Can we take out the hard one them already? Me get Z, Y.
How about this?
What that? U.
No, you are N.
U.
N.
I'm me righty. I mean know me right you. I'm a left-handed, so I'm going to come all the way over here, so the N, a U.
Guys, look. N, you know.
Honey, don't play with me, I say a U.
And she say a U.
I mean write it.
Thief, she a thief, me guys.
Me not thief, you.
Alright. Unicorn understands upward unity.
Unicorn understand
Upward unity. Unbalance.
How that?
Nobody not tell you the truth, but you're too done. You're too done now, man.
No, me last another sentence. No, that fifth word.
No.
Balance.
Unicorn understand upward unity unbalance. You don't know that the unity unbalance.
What school you go?
The unity unbalance, guys, like me.
Come. Just drink. You gotta explain it. Just drink. Yes, man, that's what you get. Go on like. Alright. J.
So you just get an easy one there, me now look, guys.
Never did I look. People don't watch me. J, guys.
Jay, why you take so long?
Hold on now.
No,
Let me think.
You are tricking this, guys.
Okay. Jerome.
Jerome.
Jerome. Hold on, man. Jerome Joyce. That's her name. Jerome Joyce. Jamaica.
Jerome Joyce, Jamaica. That already wrong. Oh, Jerome Joyce is Jamaica.
Jerome Joyce, Jamaica.
That's wrong though. Jerome Joyce, she said that her name. Okay, Jerome Joyce. When Jamaica, I understand that.
JC Jump.
Honey, just drink up, man. Drink up.
I had a brain fart all ago. No, some can't believe this.
Just drink up.
Them something easy, you know, man. Mr. Last night, Chris, when me did that laugh after you know, my girl. Me never know say your brain after your up and work. No, sir. This don't make no sense.
And she losing, guys. Only one she get right. Me get two right. Come in. Jerome Joyce. Let me hear that already. Me know what's that. Lime juice after drink. My turn?
Yes. Look here now, look at me.
Now look.
Oh my God.
Alright, K.
That's so easy.
J easy.
Yeah, but I couldn't think at the time.
K. Alright, Kevin, kick, Kino. Kevin, kick, Kino. Kite. Kino kite. Kevin kick Kino kite.
You guys are Kinos. Kino's kite.
Yeah, Kevin kicked Keno's kite.
Time up.
Kill.
What? You just kill that one there while ago, because that now work.
No, guys.
Kevin kick
Keno's
Kino's kite.
Kill it. Kill it.
No, you know it's a kill it. I want to kill it. That's a two different words. Come. What's the matter? I can't drink some of this.
Yo, we not going good in the guys. We not going. So much now.
I don't want it, man. Come on, just drink.
Oh, they are tricking. Look at me again a little bit. Of...
Drink.
Guys, watch out. What? A half a cup this.
Drink something, man. Sure. Sorry for you, yeah. Yes, Lord. All right. So one more, I guess.
I mean, I lead it.
Two, yeah.
Yeah, anybody lose have to take a drink.
How much you have over there, sir?
A 5 that, yes, a 5 you have to. And then you go first.
No, sir, I can't deal with this.
No. X.
Let me just drink. My name not go back.
No, you have to try.
What start with X?
X-ray. Xylophone.
X-ray, xylophones.
X-ray,
xylophones.
No, but that.
X-rays, xylophones.
Nobody not tell you the truth, but you're too done. You're too done now, man.
Just one.
You know, so me get. You know, so this no fear though. Me take all of the hard ones then.
Well, as she write the letter them, as she put them in the bag, only thing we do a pick.
Lord so Jesus, mercy. All right, one more.
My turn.
We'll go one more.
One more, guys. She said one more. She not satisfied if it knows me with. You know what I mean? B.
Yeah, but just get all that easy one them.
All right, guys. Let me get B. All right, ready? All right. Brad.
What?
Brad.
Oh, Brad. Okay.
Brad. Bike. Bones. Because. Boy.
Because boy.
Yeah, because I'm not done. It have at least 5.
Okay.
Brad bike bounce because boy beat bat bottom. Bottom.
You could have just tap a bat, you know?
Ah, this one, yeah.
All right, I guess I'll give it.
Yo, guys, I'm sick. Yo, my body gonna give you. Your turn.
This is so unfair. No, I'm done.
No, man, you just start.
X, guys. Y. V. I know Q.
But as she pick them, I know me, and you pick them. So you have to play. Come, Q.
No, sir, this
Quart. Me I give quart. Quart or quarter. You see me?
Queen quartz.
No, but it have to make sense though. Queen quartz, what is queen quartz? Well,
That's my sentence, you know?
Yeah, but you have to have a subject and a verb, guys. Queen are the subject. Verb or what? Quartz?
Queen quartz query.
Queen quartz drink. By the time you done the lime juice, now.
Yo, what my dog? What my dog today?
Have to go pick 2 more lines.
Guys, trust me. I don't hear about it. Later, with my stomach, I'm sorry I do that game. I'm sure I don't go win.
I good think she's sweet, guys. I should have surely get tons sour tonight.
Okay. Game done now?
Yeah, man, you lose. Guys, she lose. I'm not going to show you say me at the boss in another game. I'm going to just do one more if you just stop it off. She not even have to go again, guys. We don't want you to drink no more lime. So you pick one for me.
So what you approve? No, I'm not picking on the few because I already don't pick out the whole of the hard one. Them Q, V, Y, X. What them here?
But I get Z.
What them here? Listen to me word. Them let you in no sentence.
But I get Z, I get U.
No, sir, this not make no sense. Me not like this. Me not play this.
So pick one for me now.
No, you pick you.
Alright, I pick
don't
one.
pick it 4 hardest letter them out of the alphabet.
Guys, that one I pick no harder than all of them. Now watch how I'm gonna mash it up, see, man. Watch. H. I don't know if words start with H. Guys, I don't know if words start with H.
Come on now.
H. Alright, watch it now.
That look like I.
I? Alright, even I. You want to get, since you want it easy.
That's I.
Picking it for H or I now. H.
I.
Alright, I. She's an I, guys. Because she wanted it harder. She thinks that I harder, guys. This is what I say. Ian is intelligent in integrated. That's it.
Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
What? So bad.
Yeah, but you're integrated.
You don't go on good, but I integrated and no, that kind of sentence. That not tell me nothing.
You know, like
Ian.
Ian is intelligent in
no.
integrated.
Nope. Anyways,
integrated.
Guys, it's a 3-1. So let's wrap this up.
Wow.
I mean, I drink no more of this sitting here. I mean, I already feel my
guys,
start crawl upon me.
I think shot a team Poppy the thing there. I think
whatever.
She a rookie. Guys, she a rookie.
Anybody would have get them wrong. YXQV.
But I who pick them. I know me pick them, guys. She pick her own, you understand? Me can understand if I did me pick them for her, then me can say, yeah, she might feel that the thing get rigged. But she pick her own, guys. You understand me I say? And she a ball. So, Team Poppy, straight. Don't know. Comment section. Spam it up. Say Team Poppy. Tire, thing, water down. You know what I mean? Straight. So, you want to tell the people them say? She want to tell the people them say, lime juice the thing there right now.
That was unfair.
Chrissy, Keena, Robinson family, big up on yourself. Big up on members, Trending Boss, TR Show, Full of Attitude, Nicola Pitt, and Carmelita Blackbeard. Big up on yourself, love on the street. Subscribers, big up on yourself. #1 pop stars, you know what I mean? If you're not yet subscribed to Poppy Show, make sure you subscribe to us. Share out the video, guys. It's funny, but it's funny. Funny. Give us a thumbs up, and until next time, guys, Poppyshowja out.